Hi, Vaibhav. Good evening. Thanks for joining in today. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Hey, thanks, Vaibhav. Thanks for joining and congratulations on your new role at IIT. So exciting. So we are so glad to hear our students going to places. So well done. Great job.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So Vaibhav, let's talk about your journey with Skilling. Which course did you study at Skilling, and why did you choose that course?
Well, I'm enrolled in CFD Master's course at Skilling.
Yeah.
I joined this course. I joined this course in probably around in 2018.
Okay.
I worked on a couple of projects, and then I got an opportunity at IIT Madras as a project
Yeah.
associate.
Yeah.
Uh, so I worked there in internal combustion engine, where I used the same thing which I studied in CFD. Uh,
Okay.
Regarding advanced engine concepts in Converge Studio. Yeah, so I work in simulations.
Okay. Right. So let's talk about your experience studying with the CFD Masters course. How did you find the course content, and how was the technical support for you for the course?
The course content is really, really good. Like in my undergraduate, we didn't had any subjects regarding CFD,
Yeah.
and I was not at all. To be frank, I was not at all a technical person. But when I joined SkillLink, slowly I got interested in CFD research. And talking about knowing CFD, I come to know. I just saw it on the internet, and I called Sarang sir. I remember
Okay.
that time. It was he was reachable that time. Skilling was not that huge, and regarding the courses, as I said, they are very well organized by Sarang sir. And the support team, I must say, the support team is exceptional compared to any other online courses. Either you take, like, for example, Coursera or Udemy, they just provide the course, that too in theory, which doesn't have one-to-one support session. But in at the Skilling, you get one-to-one support, 24/7. Like, you can, like, a support engineer has been allotted for every student, and you can WhatsApp them your doubt anytime, as well as you can raise a ticket through email. Support was really good.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for that, Vaibhav. Can you please take us through your projects experience? What kind of projects were you able to do at Skilling, and how was it useful?
So this is the most important thing you get out of online course, that too in Skilling. So where you can expose or prove yourself to employers that you can do the real-time projects, which are the practices which are being followed in the industry right now. So I got my job through Skilling projects and the portfolio I built out of Skilling. He had so much confidence on me seeing my projects, and the job profile was so matching with the project. So it was easy for me to get the current job.
Yeah. So could you describe the role at IIT that you joined? So what did the role involve, and how did skilling courses contribute to this?
Skilling doesn't only help us in doing these great projects, it also helps us to build a good network among the students as well as within the support engineers. Right now, I'm working in internal combustion engine IC lab, and there was this one student who was also enrolled in one of the courses at Skilling, and he is doing, like, he's also working under my professor right now, and he came to know that there is one position for a project associate, so he just posted it on the group, and that's how I was able to send my resume to the professor and interact with the professor, and that's how I got this opportunity.
Thanks, Vaibhav. Yeah, we do believe it's like what you know, and as important as also who you know as well. So well done on building that network. So Vaibhav, in all your experience with skilling, what stands out to you and why?
The one thing is support. Support is very important, because in my case, I have never learned anything about CFD previously. Previously, first before entering at Skilling. So the support is really important to give you a confidence that you can do things, and it forms a basis for you
Mm.
that really boosts up the confidence to do projects on projects. So there are like 10 to 12 industry oriented projects in every course at Skilling, and the support is really necessary. Yeah, I remember when I joined the Skilling, at every Saturday Sarang sir himself used to clear our doubts
Right.
at that time. Yeah, so that was that really helped me to get confidence in this field.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Thanks for that, and that's really encouraging. So, Vaibhav, do you have any advice for students who are currently pursuing the CFD Masters course at Skilling?
Sure. One of the advice would be, don't just look at the videos, all the videos one by one. Once you finish one topic, then you make sure that you complete that assignment and then move towards next video. I realize some of students, just they go through all the videos at once and then they start doing projects. So that doesn't help. Also, don't try to copy the codes or projects from others' profile. That way you won't learn anything. So make sure that you yourself do whole project. If you need any advice, you can definitely contact your support engineer. I have never experienced incident where the support engineer didn't respond to me or something like that. And always be in touch with the support engineer. Also, you have Sarang sir to if you want some advice, if you want to do some higher education, you can always contact him and seek his advice. He will definitely respond to you.
Nice, Vaibhav. So it's good to see. It's like you said, you did not have any prior knowledge in CFD, and then you enrolled at Skilling, and through your project experience, you ended up in IIT. So, do you have any advice for mechanical engineers in general, especially those who are waiting for a job? You are just out of college, freshers. So, do you have any words for them?
Yeah, I was in a similar situation. I didn't have any job. Like, to be frank, I graduated from a tier 3 college, and in our engineering courses, we not at all have any practical things. Like, we just study for exam, we study theory, we clear the exams, and that's it. So there's a huge gap between college curriculum and industry needed things, practical things, skills, basically the softwares that are used in industry, and doing projects on that type of topics is the key which gives confidence to an employer, that you can do the real things. This is how you stand out, like compared to your peers.
Right.
So I definitely do some courses, and once you, of course, by doing projects, you will attain expertise in that field.
Thanks, Vaibhav. Thanks for your words. Thanks for joining today.